All of this was generated in ComfyUI from scratch. No Photoshop. ComfyUI, hundreds of nodes, wires like spaghetti. Looks like a nuclear reactor control panel. Actually, for your first image, you only need 7 nodes. Now we will build a workflow from scratch. No copying, no magic. In this video, you will understand how this works. Let's begin. Node number 1. Load checkpoint. Right-click on canvas, add node, search load checkpoint, click. This node loads the model. I select Stable Diffusion 1.5. Classic model works on any graphics card, proven settings. If you have different model, it does not matter. Principle is the same. Node number 2. Clip Text Encode prompt. Right-click on the empty canvas, add node, conditioning, clip text encode prompt. This node turns your text prompt into conditioning. Basically the language the model understands. Now double-click the node title and rename it to positive. And in this text box, write what you want to see in the image. That's your main prompt. Node number 3. Again, clip text encode, but for negative prompt. We call it negative here. We write what we do not want to see. Blur, artifacts, text on image, everything that can ruin the result. Node number 4. Empty latent image. This is the size of your future image, empty canvas for generation. We set 768 by 768 square. One batch, not complicating yet. Node number 5, KSampler, heart of generation. It takes model, prompts, and empty latent. Does 20 steps, turns noise into image. Steps 20, CFG7, sampler Euler, scheduler normal, Denoise 1.0. This is proven combination for SD15. Works stable on all graphics cards. Use these settings as baseline. Node number 6. VAE Decode. KSampler outputs latent image. Looks like colored TV noise. VAE Decode turns this noise into normal image. Without it, you will look at abstract art and think it is a bug. Node number 7. Save image. Final step. Saves image to disk in output folder. You can set file name prefix. Convenient for sorting. All 7 nodes added. Now we connect them with wires. From load checkpoint, 4 wires. Model to KSampler, lavender wire. Clip to negative, yellow wire. Clip to positive, same output, second wire, also yellow. VAE to VAE Decode. Red wire, that's the VAE data type. It's supposed to look like that. Don't worry about connecting to the wrong place. ComfyUI simply won't let you. Incompatible connections are blocked. From positive node, conditioning to KSampler positive. Orange wire from negative node, conditioning to KSampler negative. Also orange wire. KSampler now knows what to generate and what to avoid. Empty latent to KSampler latent image. Purple wire. KSampler output latent to VAE decode samples, also purple. VAE decode imaged To save images, blue wire, done. All wires in place, workflow built. Model selected, stable diffusion 1.5. Positive and negative prompts. Now let's talk about KSampler settings. 4 parameters worth understanding. CFG. How strictly the model follows your prompt. 7 is a balance. Higher means the model executes every word literally but loses realism. Lower means more creative freedom but unpredictable results. Sampler. The algorithm used to remove noise at each step. Euler is fast and stable, a solid default choice. Scheduler. How the work is distributed across steps. Normal means evenly, no surprises. Denoise, how much of the image gets regenerated. 1.0 means from scratch. From pure noise, this is text to image mode. These 4 settings are the baseline for SD15. You will experiment later. In the prompt field, enter your prompt for generation. Cue prompt. Press. That's it, about 5 seconds. And the image is ready. Automatically saved to the output folder inside ComfyUI. Here is your file. First image generated from scratch. Menu, save, top left. Name the file, my first T2I workflow, JSON format. Saved. Now this workflow can be loaded anytime or sent to friend. It opens with same settings and wires. Save workflow immediately, because rebuilding these 7 nodes in a week when you forgot what goes where is not fun. Done. You build your first workflow from scratch. 7 nodes, 1 button. Infinite possibilities. This workflow works with a huge number of image generation models. Stable Diffusion 1.5, SDXL, Juggernaut, Realistic Vision, and many more. Just select a different model in the list. But you need to download them first. Most models are available on Hugging Face. Like if ComfyUI no longer looks like rocket science? Questions and comments, I read all. See you in the next video.